Hello, this is Logan from CableCreation. In this video, I will show you how to use CableCreation DisplayPort to HDMI adapter cable CD0747 to check if my Philips model number is 325M1 can support HDR function. This is my desktop with NVIDIA 2080 Ti, and this is a Philips monitor support HDR function. Before you started to use the HDR function, make sure your HDMI monitor support HDR function, and you also need to update your graphics card to the latest version. First, let me connect my DisplayPort to HDMI adapter to my desktop. Connect the DisplayPort to my NVIDIA 2080 Ti's DisplayPort female port. And this is a HDMI cable. It has connected to my Philips monitor. Just connect the HDMI cable to my adapter. Make the connection secure and stable. Here we can see the HDMI monitor just works. According to my experience, you need to go to your NVIDIA control panel to make some settings. NVIDIA control panel. Let's go to number 3. Apply the following settings. We need to use default color settings. If we use NVIDIA color settings with the following options, the HDR function would not work. Let's go to Start, Settings, Display. We can see the Use HDR is off. I just click it, and we can see the HDMI mode just flicks. And then we can see the HDR mode just works. I can click the arrow icon. And here, scroll down my mouse. And here we can see the Use HDR and Play Stream HDR video just works. Through this short video, we can get that CableCreation CD0747 DisplayPort 1.4 to HDMI adapter can support HDR function. The tips we get is that you need a monitor supports HDR function, and you also need to update your graphics drivers to the latest version. That's all. Thank you.